Hey guys, welcome back. This is Dan, and let's make millions. Today, we're covering two big corporations that will be able to take the damage of both COVID-19 and an impending recession. Before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great stock content. So starting off at number 1, Ryokan REIT, ticker REI.UN, is trading for $16.64 per share and offers investors a healthy 8.65% dividend yield. It's currently shocking that such a high-quality stock is down by more than 40% from its February peak. While Ryokan has suffered from the current crash, I believe that its shares will recover with time. You can invest in its shares to lock in a high dividend yield while the market repairs itself. Number 2. Fortis, ticker FTS. At present, Fortis is trading at $54.73 per share, while the dividend yield stands at 3.49%. Fortis is a nearly impregnable investment choice if you want the best of the best today and in the foreseeable future. This stock is a staple and core holding in most portfolios of income investors. The market will not stabilize while the coronavirus is around, but Fortis will handle hard times with ease. The company shows true resiliency in times of great recession. These two stocks offer nice dividends while giving an amazing level of safety and potential growth. Both of these stocks should be in any portfolio. Would you like some other good stocks to add? Then check out some of our other videos. Also like, subscribe, and comment with any ideas for videos you'd like to see in the future. As always, this has been Dan, thanks for watching, and stay smart.